Okay, we are back in Qatar after the vacation, first day in Qatar. So where are we going? What's our plan?
Take my laptop from the office.
Okay, and then?
Antigen.
Yeah, we had to do the antigen test.
When you arrive.
When you arrive 24 hours, they send us a message. We had to do the antigen test. And then you had to buy a phone, no?
Yeah.
Because the Globe SIM card in Philippines is not working here in iPhone. So you need to buy an Android phone. Okay, then my hair is so long now. Raj is also same. So we had to cut our hair.
We go to Hanan.
Then we go to Hanan. Okay, on the way. Let's see. This is a crazy guy.
This is a laughing sound.
Don't laugh.
Look at our car.
So dirty.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
the wash.
dirt. We need to go to the garage station.
Not garage.
What is it?
Car wash.
Car wash.
Yeah.
Car wash.
Hello, welcome to the reunion family.
You only know how to say this.
Yeah.
So this is
The way to my office.
Mommy's office, yeah. So,
This is the sword signal.
yeah.
Because of this sword. That's why they call it sword signal. But it has another name actually.
Bank Street.
Mac Street.
Bank Street.
This is the Bank Street.
Oh, I can see the Qatari flags at
Yeah.
the other side.
But you're saying you're talking like you're living in Qatar for the first day today.
Hello,
Hey, look, there is
guys.
a new statue and all there.
Where?
There, right side.
Statue.
I didn't see rock. Aga.
That's our new logo, Haya. Nice, no?
Colosseum.
This is Sukwakif.
Statue of Liberty was made from paint.
And that is part of Le Sharif downtown.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Who's going to the restroom? We're doing the rapid antigen test.
Rabbit.
No rabbit.
Now where to?
Going to cut the hair.
What's the point?
Here.
This is our old house here.
Hello.
Abu Hamor. We are in Abu Hamor.
Where's
Mamura.
our old house?
This is Mamura, not Abu Hamor.
Mama Maora.
Abu Hamor is after this. This is where we used to live.
Yep.
This street is called Al-Madid Street in Mamura.
McDonald's now. Mommy's buying the. So are you happy that you're gonna get McDonald's? What is that?
A spray bottle that can spray your eyes.
Oh, we will cut the hair, okay? This is our salon. We're cutting, okay? buy the phone.
Going to Anand first.
Are we going to Anand? Okay. Did you put the Google Map? Was it up? This is. We're waiting Anand. Yeah. Retail malls. Just gonna come here.
Balik kami ako hamur. Kaya nagpagupit itong dalawa. Open the window. Tita Ninang. Dami naman. Padala yan yung bulantoy. Tapos
How's Philippines?
na ayaw niya na magbalik.
Nakita ko nga sa vlog.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sabi pa din bulantoy. Bakit kasi bibigyan?
My phone. With you. I'm searching for my phone.
Where are we heading now?
Way home. So all the list is completed.
Yeah.
What's your new phone? Why did you buy this phone?
Because my globe roaming is now working in iPhone. So we bought this Motorola Android
Maybe you had to do a video about this for the
settings.
Kabayans in